Dropped the whole lash in there. Oh my gosh. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sierra if you're new here, and I'm back today with another video. Today I'm going to be trying out the Ardell Aqua Lashes. Like, what? I just have noticed these. I was, shopping around Ulta, just having me a good old time in the lash area. And I was like, wait, this is different. Aqua Lashes. So I picked them up and I wanted to show them to you all and just test them out with y'all. But yeah, it says no adhesive needed. So the lash band is supposed to be activated by water, and then you can apply them and they should last all day just like lash glue. And yeah, so I was like, this is different. I want to try it out. I do have some reservations though. I do have some reservations because I'm like, one, can you reuse these? Because I reuse my lashes all the time, but I'm also just putting my own adhesive on there. So will these be reusable if they have already this water activated adhesive? Like, can you activate it more than one time? You know what I'm saying? And two, the thing is, y'all know I have oily eyelids, and also like you may sweat, you may cry. Does that mean it's gonna reactivate it and it's gonna like really adhere good longer throughout the day? Or if you have like more oily eyelids, or like, I don't know, it's raining outside, are they gonna slide off? I don't know. This is what crosses through my mind, and I just wanted to check it out. So I'm gonna test all those things with you today. So if you want to see these aqua lashes be put to the test, just keep watching. So I have the lashes right here. I have the number 344. It says align them to your eyes and then, cut the tabs off. So I don't know if you can see, but they have these little tabs on the end. I like this style though because I feel like it's pretty natural, and definitely if you have hooded eyes, it's not going to be too much. Yeah, they feel really good and really good quality. Y'all know I tried the magnetic lashes and it wasn't for me. It wasn't for me. I didn't, they do not work as advertised. At least the Ardell ones I tried didn't, so I'm going to try some more too. And one thing I didn't like about those is how thick the lash band was, and this one isn't too bad. Some of the other ones did seem a little thicker, but yeah, this little glue that's on it is kind of sticky. I don't know. It's interesting. So I'm just going to fit this to my eye. And then, oh yeah, I like the lash itself. Do they have 344s, not aqua lashes? I don't even know. But yeah, okay. I'm here for it. I am. I'm just going to curl my natural lashes. And yeah. Just curl these real quick and put a light coat of mascara, just so I can actually see what I'm working with. See the lashes. Okay, what light that is. And I have a cup of water here. It's supposed to be a warm cup of water. So I have the first lash here, and you're supposed to put it in the water. Make sure the lash band is immersed for 10 to 15 seconds. So yeah. I dropped the whole lash in there. Oh my gosh. Well, now I have a wet lash. Okay. It's definitely been in there for 10 seconds. I can see how the adhesive, I don't know if y'all can see that, is just starting to loosen up, So I'm going to put it in my eye. Okay, so I have the first one on. I like the look. I do. I like the lash. It's giving. It really is, I don't know if y'all can see, but yeah, I like it a lot. So far how I'm feeling is it is a little, I don't know, heavy. I don't know, it is a heavier lash band, I feel like. And definitely in this inner corner, I'm just feeling the lash. Like I know it's on every time I blink. And I don't know, I feel like because they have to put this adhesive on there, that is not as thin, I feel like, as regular glue. It just takes a little bit of time to get used to, and I feel like the more that I wear it throughout the day, it might not feel as heavy or it might dry down better. But right now, I'm not gonna yank on a lash but it seems adhered pretty good. So I'm gonna do the other lash. Okay, I have the second one on, and yeah, this one doesn't feel as heavy as when I put this one on. That might have been because I literally dipped the whole lash in water, so needed to kind of dry off a little bit. But yeah, I'm liking it so far. They're adhering really good. They're not lifting or anything. The lash band isn't too intense with trying to incorporate this technology of like an aqua water activated lash band. Yeah, so I'm liking it so far. I'm gonna wear it for the rest of the day. I have some errands to run, and I'm gonna see how long these hold up. Because yeah, I just want to see how long they last. I also want to see if they're reusable. So yeah, I like them so far, and I also like the style. Like, can you see the style? I feel like it looks so good and natural. Not like supernatural, but you know what I'm saying. So I'll be back later. I'm just going to wear these for a little while, and I'll be able to tell y'all if they are reusable, if they last long, if they are worth replacing normal lash glue. Hey y'all, so I just wanted to pop back on here and just give y'all a little update about the lashes. I've been wearing them for probably 10 hours. Literally, I've been wearing them for a very long time, and this is how they look. Just ignore the fact that my skin is very oily right now, but I've literally had this face on for so long. But I like them. I actually do. They stuck pretty well. Like, I've had them on for literally 10 hours. The only thing is I don't know if they really want the water activation. I don't know what kind of glue they activating, but they do feel kind of heavy. Like, I don't know. I know that they're there, and I like more lightweight lashes. I don't know. It's not the lash per se, it's just like the band is like kind of irritating my lash line just a little bit. But other than that, it's pretty, I'm liking them. I'm gonna check back in once I reapply them and let you know if you can reuse them. And yeah. So disregard my do-rag and everything, but I did want to pop back on here and let y'all know that the lashes are reusable. So it's been a week or so since I used the lashes, and I decided to pop them back on for this look that I'm doing today. And yes, they indeed are reusable. That is the million-dollar question. Are they reusable? And they are, at least for 2 tries. So I did my makeup, you know, originally in the video, and this is like the second time I've tried to pop them on, and they adhered really well. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed with these. I think I would go for a different style next time. I don't know, just change it up, but I do think I will be repurchasing, because it does leave out the hassle of having to use glue. Even though you do have to use a cup of warm water, it's still not glue. So yeah, I think I'll be reusing them. If you want to see more videos from me, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.